Let's review the range calculation according to National Electrical Code Table 220.55 Note 2, specifically dealing with ranges of unequal ratings where you have more than 8 kW through 27 kW ranges. The note requires that if you have ranges with unequal ratings, you calculate the average value of the ratings. It instructs you to use 12 kW for any range rated less than 12 kW. The maximum demand in column C of the table is then increased 5% for each kilowatt or major fraction thereof by which this average exceeds 12 kW. In your example, you have 8 ranges with the following ratings: 22 kW, 19 kW, 25 kW, 20 kW, 9 kW, 16 kW, 10 kW, and 12 kW. The first step is to calculate the average rating. Because you have some ranges that are less than 12 kW, you need to substitute the actual values of 9 kW and 10 kW with 12 kW as per the instructions. Therefore, you sum the following values: 22 kW, 19 kW, 25 kW, 20 kW, 12 kW, 16 kW, 12 kW, and 12 kW. This summation equals 138 kW. Next, divide this total by the number of ranges, which is 8. 138 kW divided by 8 equals 17.25 kW. Now, determine how much the average exceeds 12 kW. Subtract 12 kW from 17.25 kW, resulting in 5.25 kW. The instruction states that the column C value should be increased 5% for each kilowatt or major fraction thereof by which the average exceeds 12 kW. Because 5.25 kW exceeds 5 kW, you must use 5 increments of 5% each. This totals 25%. The value in column C for 8 ranges is 23 kW, according to the table. Increase this value by 25%, which is equivalent to multiplying 23 kW by 1.25. Final result is 28.75 kW. This is the demand that must be accounted for when performing the service or feeder calculation.